Imagine waking up at 35 years old with no savings, debt on your credit cards, and the feeling that everyone else is moving ahead while you're still struggling. The scary part is that most financial problems don't happen overnight. They begin in our 20s through small decisions that seem harmless at the time. Today, we're talking about 5 financial mistakes that many people make in their 20s and how avoiding them can completely change your future. Let's begin. Mistake number 1, living to impress others. When Ahmed got his first job, his salary wasn't huge, but he finally had money of his own. Within a few months, he bought the latest phone, expensive clothes, and financed a motorcycle he could barely afford. Every weekend, he posted photos online, ate at expensive restaurants, and tried to look successful. But behind the scenes, his bank account was nearly empty. Many people in their 20s fall into this trap.
Social media makes us believe that success must be visible. Expensive watches, luxury cars, designer brands. But real wealth is often invisible. The richest habit isn't spending money to look successful. It's keeping money to become successful. Ask yourself this question. Are you buying something because you need it, or because you want other people to see it? Mistake number 2, not saving early. Sarah believed she was too young to worry about money. She said, "I'll start saving when I earn more." Years passed. Every salary disappeared on shopping, entertainment, and unnecessary expenses. At age 30, she realized she had almost no savings. The truth is, you don't need a big income to start saving. Even a small amount saved consistently can make a huge difference over time. Your 20s are valuable because time is on your side. Money invested early has years to grow. Waiting for the perfect salary often means losing the most valuable thing you have: time. Mistake number 3, ignoring financial education. Most schools teach math, science, and history. Very few teach how money works. As a result, many young adults enter the real world without understanding budgeting, investing, debt, taxes, savings, or saving. People spend years earning money without learning how to manage it. Financial education isn't about becoming rich overnight. It's about understanding how money works so it can work for you.
Reading books, watching educational videos, listening to finance podcasts, and learning basic investing can completely change your future. 1 hour of learning today can save years of financial mistakes later. Mistake number 4, depending only on one income. Many people believe their monthly salary is enough, and sometimes it is, until life changes. Companies downsize, jobs disappear, unexpected expenses arrive. Relying on a single income source can create financial stress. Your 20s are the perfect time to explore additional skills: freelancing, online businesses, investing, content creation, side hustles. You don't need 5 income streams tomorrow, but building even one extra source of income can provide security and opportunities later in life. Mistake number 5, accumulating bad debt. Credit cards and loans can feel harmless at first. You tell yourself, "I'll pay it later. Just one more purchase. I deserve this." Small debts slowly become larger. Interest grows. Payments become stressful. Eventually, debt starts controlling your choices. Debt used to build assets can sometimes help.
But debt used for unnecessary spending often creates long-term problems. Before borrowing money, ask yourself, will this purchase improve my future or only satisfy me for a few days? Your 20s are not about being perfect. They're about building habits. You don't need to earn millions. You don't need to invest thousands. You simply need to make smart decisions consistently. Avoid trying to impress others. Start saving early. Learn about money. Create additional income. Stay away from unnecessary debt. The decisions you make today can shape the next 20 years of your life. Because becoming wealthy isn't usually one big decision. It's hundreds of small decisions made every single day. If you found this video valuable, subscribe to Smart Tycoon and join us as we learn how to build wealth, make smarter financial decisions, and create a better future. Until next time, think smart and build wealth.